Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that equality operators and the logical operators, right? So next concept is assignment operators. Okay, coming to assignment operators. Okay, now our focus is on assignment operators. Assignment operators. Our focus is on assignment operators. We can use assignment operators to assign some value to the variable. Okay, we can use assignment operator to assign some value to the variable. Okay, we can use assignment operators to assign some value to the variable. That means, suppose if I am taking here a equal to 10. Okay, if I am taking a equal to 10 means I am assigning some value to the variable a. So observe here, what is the value of a now? A equal to 10. So assignment operator is nothing but we can combine assignment operator with some other operators to form compound assignment operators. Okay, that means we can combine. Okay, we can combine assignment operators with some other operators. Okay, some other we can combine assignment operators with some other operators to perform compound assignment operator. Compound assignment operators. Compound assignment operators. Okay, that is x plus equal to 10. Okay, suppose first x equal to 10, assume that x plus equal to 10. Okay, this is nothing but compound assignment operator. So the meaning of this one is x is equal to x plus 10. Okay, so what is our result in this case? 20. Okay, now observe here the same thing I'm writing here. A equal to 10, a plus equal to 10. Okay, a equal to 10, I'm taking a plus equal to 10 means a equals to a plus 10. So already 10 is here. 10 plus 10, 20. So now we are going to get answer as 20. Okay, clear, right? So we can combine assignment operators with some other operators to perform compound assignment operators. Okay, now what are those compound assignment operators means? There are some list. I will explain. Below are the compound assignment operators. Below are the compound assignment operators in Python. What is that? Plus equal to, next minus equal to, next star equal to, next division. Okay, floor division. Okay, next percentage equal to, next double equal to, sorry, single equal to, and equal to, and okay. So observe carefully. If we are combining assignment operator with some other operators to perform compound assignment operator, then we have to go for this concept. Mostly we will use this type of things in our programming. day to day. Okay. Next. Okay, these are the below are the compound assignment operators in Python. But make sure there is no increment or decrement operators in Python. There is no increment or decrement. There is no increment or decrement operators in Python. So in normally if you consider in previous C language, C++, Java, if you are taking a equals to 10, if you are considering a plus plus, okay, a plus plus, okay, it is going to increment the value in the previous cases, I mean in the previous language. But observe here, first it is considering invalid syntax. Okay, if you take here also 20, okay, but mostly we will not use here. Okay, here already here I have taken. Now observe here, I'm incrementing the value of a. If you observe here, I'm taking 10. I'm taking pre-increment. In the previous languages, we can say pre-increment. If you write here, post-increment. But these are not applicable in Python. Okay, Python increment or decrement not applicable. Okay, if you take any day, so it will give same result. Or if you are taking post increment means it is going to give error, right? Clear, right? Result is 10 only. Result is 10 only. Clear, right? Please, if you are having any questions or any queries, please post your query in the comment section. So the next concept is ternary operators or conditional operators. Okay, ternary operators or conditional operators. Ternary operators are conditional operators. So ternary operators syntax is nothing but first x is equal to first value. X is equal to first value if condition else second value. If condition else second value, that means here condition is true, then only the first value, else second value will be considered. Okay, so observe for that one small example. I'm taking a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. I'm taking a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Assume that I'm taking x is equal to 30 if a greater than b, else 40. Okay, so here a greater than b. So a greater 10 greater than 20. 10 greater than 20 means false. False means we are going to get result as 40. Okay, I'm saying result as 40. Can you please confirm, is it 40 or 30? Okay, please confirm answer 40 or 30. Okay, make sure, don't keep any doubt. Okay, don't keep any doubt. Okay, don't keep any doubt. A Based on this syntax only, I'm saying first value if condition is if condition, that means it is true, it will be evaluated. If it is not, then only it will be evaluated. Okay, in our case, what is the answer? In our case, what is the answer? 40 is the answer. Okay, so what we have to take here? Here, what is the answer? 40. Clear, right? Coming to ternary operators. Okay, so let me write the theory. If condition is true, condition is true, then first value will be first value will be considered, else second value will be considered. Okay, if first condition is true, first condition is true, then first value will be considered, else second value will be considered. Clear, right? So observe here, I'm taking one small program. I'm reading the inputs. Okay, I'm reading the inputs and I'm trying to find the minimum value. Okay, equal to int of input of input of enter first number. Enter first number. Enter first number. So I'm taking the same way second also. Enter second number. X equal to, and what I'm taking here is first A. Okay, if A greater than B. Okay, else B. Observe here in which way I'm taking A greater than B. Okay, 10, 20 if I've taken 10, 20, assume that 10, 20 I have given. 10 greater than 20. 10 greater than 20 means false. False means it's going to consider the value of B. So observe here, in that way I'm running. First I'm taking 10 and 20. 10 and 20 means it's going to take output as 20. So in that case, if I'm taking 20 and 10, 20 and 10 means answer 20. Okay, 20 greater than 20. 20 greater than 10. True, right? In both cases, we are getting the same. If I'm taking, if I'm getting, if I'm taking 30, 20. 30, 20 means 30 greater than 20. 30 greater than 20, true. True means it is giving 30. So the first value. Clear, right? 30 and 20. So in this way we can find the minimum value, maximum value. Okay, finding maximum value. And maximum. Clear, right? I'm reading two numbers from the keyboard and printing maximum value. Okay. So if you are having any questions or any queries, please reach out to my email ID. Please subscribe to my channel if you are watching for the first time, and if you are learning Python, just watch my tutorial from the starting onwards. Okay, you will get much clarity on this. Okay, thank you, friends.